Gynecomastia, or commonly called man boobs, is the enlargement of male breast tissue. This condition is both awkward and embarrassing for the men suffering from it, and they have to compromise in their lifestyle, avoiding going to swimming pools, to beaches, or wearing tight-fitting tees or tight-fitting clothes. Although you don't hear much about it, approximately 40 to 60% of the male population suffer from it. It is most commonly caused because of an hormonal imbalance during the pubertal phase, which leads to an excess enlargement of the breast tissue to varying degrees. Other uncommon causes may be related to certain diseases or to the use of certain medications like steroids, which is now very prevalent in the people going to gym. Gynecomastia can be unilateral or bilateral, and it can be divided into 4 grades depending upon the amount of enlargement of the breast gland and the amount of excess of skin. Since it is because of the presence of excess gland, excess tissue, it cannot be reversed with any kind of medical treatment, and surgery is the only option to treat it. Gynecomastia surgery is a day care procedure performed under general anesthesia. The whole procedure takes about 1 to 1.5 hours. A small 5 millimeter cut is given in the lateral chest wall, and the gland and fat is extracted through this small incision after breaking it down. Now, you should understand that it is not easy to remove this tough fibrous gland through such a small incision, and this is where technologies come into place. We have special tools like MicroAir, which is a power-assisted system, and Vaser, which is an ultrasound-assisted system, which help in breaking this tissue, enabling their easy extraction through such a small hole. Vaser also helps in skin contraction and contraction of the excess skin in cases of higher grades of gynecomastia. We also have BodyTite with us, which is a radio frequency enabled device which further causes contraction and tightening of the loose skin. So, with a scar as small as 5 millimeter, we are able to treat most of the grades of gynecomastia. But of course, there are certain grades where the skin excess is too much, and then we will need to excise this excess skin and will need to give additional scars. But these cases constitute only a small percentage. The patient is discharged the same evening. He can resume his normal activities from the next day onwards. He is asked to wear a compression garment which is customized for a period of 6 weeks. Swelling and bruising develops over a period of 48 hours, which then subsides slowly over the next couple of months. The entire swelling may take around 6 months to subside, and this is when you see the final result. It keeps on improving as the swelling keeps on decreasing. All kinds of physical activities can be resumed after a period of 2 weeks. Everyone is entitled to live free and to feel more confident about themselves. So don't hesitate to consult a board-certified plastic surgeon who can help you get rid of the man boobs and regain your self-esteem and confidence.